Yeah, g'day everyone. It's Chriso here. I'm doing a bit of tiling at my daughter's place. This is a bit of limestone that needed to go in for a bit of a landing area before the glass pool fence goes up. Once the boys have finished the timber work, I've just got to replace this broken tile there. Bit of a chip, someone accidentally chipped it, but this limestone is it's really soft. That the end there, I'm coming back to grout it tomorrow afternoon once the boys have finished their day's work. I'll cut that end and then just grout it up. Okay, we'll see you. Bye.